How to use front cash menu. This is the screen we use to track the daily payment collection, case transfer, and money that was taken from the safe in order to cover certain expenses. If desired, we can do the filtering for the desired date. Currently, we have displayed all the balances with the cash and credit card department related transactions. Here we see how much was the payment with the credit card collected for today. By scrolling on the right of this screen and clicking on the details symbol, Front Cash transaction menu will be opened and all the payment transactions made will be listed. When we go back to the list, if desired, we may change the displayed mode to be user-based. With this option, we can find information about the user who made these transactions. By defining expenses codes such as market, staff, transfer, we can track the money flow from the Front Cash case. By selecting Money Take Given option from the Action menu, New Expense Transactions window will be opened, and from here we may make the necessary definitions. First of all, we should select whether the money is given or taken. Let's say it is given. By ticking the box next to Repeat Every Day, we will make sure that this setting is applied on every day. Under the next segment, we should select the related account or the expense code. When we open this record for the first time, this field will be blank. By clicking on the three dots at the end of this field, we may define new expense codes. Now we will enter some of these codes. When we go back to the expense transaction screen, we can choose one of these codes we defined. Let's assume that it will be a market expense. After selecting the currency, we can also enter the amount. If desired, extra notes can be also written in this part. Once we save this record, we will have this transaction added to our case. Again, if we go to the extra part, we will see this €100 expenses registers as the minus under the cash transactions. Besides this operation, there are several others we can perform under the Action menu. Close case, exchange currency, new folio transaction, case or safe details, and currency converter. For example, on the currency converter, the amount of money that we write in one currency will be automatically converted into other currencies. Here we have displayed how much is €100 in other currencies that we use in our property according to the central bank exchange rate.